Today I'm going to make a bacon sausage, egg frittata in my Cosori air fryer. This bacon sausage is from Shady Maple Fresh Foods. Is that from Lancaster, Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania Dutch country. Sausage made with bacon. Can't get any better than that. I have 4 jumbo eggs. An onion I'm going to dice up. 1/4 cup of milk to fluff up my eggs. First of all, I'm going to brown these sausages. I'm going to use half of it. Cut them in thirds. Let me preheat this while I'm slicing them. The Cosori air fryer. I really like that one. Alright, let me cut these up quick. Look at that. How you like that? I like it. Oh yes. I'm going to cut these in thirds. I cut them in fourths. This is hickory smoked bacon sausage. It says on the package. Put these in here. I also have thyme and salt and pepper if I didn't mention that. And grated cheese. Oh, sizzling already. I could probably put more in there. Well, I'm only using 4 eggs. That's going to be good. Be a good medium, hearty. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, supper, midnight snack, whatever you like. I'm going to check on it in about 4 minutes. Let's take a peek at these. Oh, delicious. Sizzlers. Love that. Give it another 2 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to break my eggs into this bowl and mix them with my 1/4 cup of milk. Quarter cup of milk. Make them a little fluffy. Stop that. A little salt and pepper. Thyme, which I like a lot lately. This is a good seasoning. Now you can change this however you like. You can put peppers in there. I like that thyme. I'm going to mix it up and then I'm going to add my onions. I just want to get this fluffy right away. Using my outdated classic hand mixer, which is fun. Fluff them up, fluff them up. Backwards, forwards. How's that look? Yeah. There's that small size onion that you saw. You saw it. Give it a little stir. It's chunky now, see? Okay. I'm going to add some cheese at this point. Not too much. I don't want to overwhelm it with cheese. Or do I? Doesn't that look good? Sure, my sausage is done. I had this turned on an angle because of the glare on the camera. Look at that. Oh. Nice. I'm going to spray this pan. Although it's non-stick, I just like to have this come out perfectly, you know. Hopefully. Oh. Alright. Add my sausage in there. Do another little stir. this in here, see? I'm going to go back on the bacon setting where I had it. Stay in the middle now. Bacon, 320 for 8 minutes. I'll check it in 5 minutes, see what I think. Might even melt some more cheese on top at the end. Last night I made a loaf of bread. I'm going to make some toast with that. Look at this. Doesn't that look delicious? See how well I can slice it. This is supposed to be a French bread recipe. I could have took it out of the bread machine and stretched it out and made it look like a French loaf. But this is going to be good for my toast. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. You might have saw me make bread in my bread machine. If not, I'll put a link down there and you can watch me. Beautiful. That's all I need. But that smells so good. My air fryer egg frittata. Breakfast, brunch, supper, midnight snack. Let's toast these up. Can we take a peek in here? How long has it been? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Oh, it's getting there, see? Let it cook. We're going to go the whole 4 minutes now. Might even go longer, but this is the first time I made an egg frittata in my air fryer, so we're going to learn together. Less than a minute remaining. I'm going to check the progress. Thank you. Oh, what do we think? A little more? Yeah. A little more. That's normal. Not sticking. Okay. Let's go back to that bacon setting. 320 for 8 minutes. Almost done. Sure smells good. So that took 16 minutes. And if we bake this in the oven like frittatas are usually made, it probably would have took 20 minutes or so. So I don't mind doing it in the air fryer. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. While that's still real hot, I have 2 pieces of provolone, which I like. Let that melt. I could even put more on, but 2's okay for now. Let that melt with a residual heat while I make my toast. Ooh. My first air fried frittata. Egg frittata with bacon sausage. Let's pop this out of here. Oh. I'm going to pop this out of here. Let's see. I would eat it right out of here. It's loose, see? Oh, yeah! Woo! Look at my delicious homemade bread. Oh, what do we want first? Look at this beautiful thing. You love it? A little more pepper on top. Taste it. Remember what's in here, right? Oh, look at that. Bacon sausage, onions, cheese, cheddar cheese inside. Oh, it's going to be hot. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, sausage is so good. Oh, I wish I could taste that. Oh, that is so good. It's definitely enough for 2 people. Try this delicious bread I just made last night. This was excellent. I'm glad we made this today. Try it in your air fryer. You can put green peppers in there, hot peppers. No peppers, no meat, any kind of cheese you like. It's delicious, believe me. It's going to fill me up too. Have a nice day, everybody. Please subscribe. Try this. You'll like it.